What's the one big thing you can do to create wow factor in a property? This is a question I am often asked, and people are normally dismayed when I break the news to them that unfortunately there's not just one thing. It's about quality and consistency throughout. Now I'm here today at Otterhead House, which is an award-winning house, and I appreciate this is, it might seem a bit far out to some people. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you just one room. I'm going to show you just the kitchen, and basically all the things that I'm showing you here, the principles can apply to absolutely any property. We've done this in much more modest places. So it's the principle rather than what the actual property is. So as soon as we go to walk in, really good quality door handle. I'll do a whole nother video on touch and the importance of it. It's massively underestimated. So my point here is consistency. Someone walks in, really good quality handle. They then come in, really good quality Jim Lawrence light switch. As they come through, again, consistency, really good quality from the anvil, Suffolk latches. You'll see in this house, you'll see in every house that we've ever developed over the years, every single screw is vertical, like not slightly off vertical, bang on vertical. Now, my point here with this is so often overlooked by people. Nobody is going to walk in here and go, oh wow, that house is really good quality because all the screws are facing vertically. Most people won't even notice on a conscious level. But what we're doing here, we're working on an unconscious level. So it's bits of detail like this all the way through. It's things like the curved skirting, the way the plaster's finished, just all those little bits that most people won't bother with. People will walk in and they won't be able to pick out and go, I like it because of that, I like it because of that. Subliminally, they will notice all these little details and they'll go, ooh, this place is really good quality. I really like it. You'll say, well, why? And they'll say, it just feels really good. So then as we come through, most people will touch a worktop. Therefore, worktops are extremely important. We've got a nice burnished brass here, which is a bit quirky and different. Then as we come through, we've got a really cool, unique, different staircase. So my point here is that if we just had the staircase and didn't have all these other little bits, it wouldn't be wow factor. It'd be nice, it'd be quite cool, but it wouldn't give the wow. The way you create that wow factor is by consistently having quality, quirky, different things. So this can be applied to absolutely any property, regardless of size or budget. Hope that's helpful. If you like this stuff and you want to know more hints and tips, then please do head over to the website, sign up to the newsletter, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers, bye.